Good morning from Bali, particularly from Sanur, Bali. And as one lady today, this morning, comment, I come back to filming over and over the same things in Bali, over again. Here we go, this is Sanur again. People enjoying their morning breakfast or morning cycling. Life is going slow and peaceful. Balinese Gamera in the background. This is the Villa Shanti and Puri Santrian hotel, actually Gria Santrian, my bad. Puri Santrian is in different place. Gardeners washing the streets so there will be no dust because it's dry season. And overall peaceful morning in Sanur. To the lady who said that I'm gonna film things over and over again, of course I'm gonna film over again, but calling me lazy is a little bit too much. So I have a personal message to you: just go yourself. You're welcome. After that, exactly 2 days ago, that was my 3rd anniversary of making videos every single day, mostly from Bali, in the road. That's over 1,100 videos every single day. And if you're still thinking I'm lazy, definitely you shouldn't watching my YouTube channel at all. Some people just nowadays are simply, I don't know how to say, jealous, or maybe they have a different imagination of, this young motherfucker living in Bali and doing nothing for the last few. People really don't understand how's the real struggle of living in Bali, in Indonesia in general. Even I'm married. Just wanted to mention one more time, you are not allowed to work, so I cannot take any job. So yes, I'm not working 9 to 5 in the office, I'm not being a taxi driver, or I don't know, any other things. Doesn't mean as I'm lazy, just try to understand. Also, everybody can come to Bali, find out the way how you can live here for more than 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, buy yourself the camera, laptop, iPad, whatever you want, editing software, learn how to do it. Come and walk every single day in Bali or wherever you like and make those videos, achieve more success than I had it right now, and then you can judge. Also, one thing, all of my productions, all of my over 1,200 videos are for free for everybody. Everybody can watch unlimited amount of times whenever you like. I'm not charging you for the paid subscription like of Netflix, for example, to watching the shows. So this is free and you have a choice. If you don't like, okay, just go. And even if people don't want to watch my videos, if you're still watching, you don't have to comment nasty comments and calling me lazy. And just people nowadays find out very interesting and fun to putting me down. If you want to watch something very interesting, which is also for free and it's way better than my content, you can watch Christian LeBlanc, for example, who is the biggest dream seller in Southeast Asia in general, not only in Bali. And enjoy, and only one video per month. That's it. Market is free. By the way, I skipped this beautiful property here in Bali. This is the Tanjung Sari hotel, one of the oldest here in Sanur, one of the most beautiful. The beach actually here is so beautiful, and the palm trees and everything, coconut trees, cyclists, some people enjoying their breakfast, regular stuff, you know what I mean. But beautiful, beautiful light today. Actually, I want to show you. Here we go. Beautiful restaurant, beautiful place, and beautiful beach. One thing about this particular person and this particular comment is that, okay, I've been recently traveling for 9 days in Singapore and in Malaysia. Even when I was in Malaysia, I traveled with my friends to show you something totally different, something totally what not many people even showing. Nobody care. If you don't want to watch it, you don't watch it, and I totally understand, and I don't judge you for that. But the another thing, okay, you are a Bali lover, let's say, from the perspective of the comment, what you said. I'm just thinking that you are just only interested about this one. Just recently, 3 weeks ago, I was traveling across North and West Bali. I didn't see you commenting either. Anyways, this is the Artotro Beach Club, which is permanently closed and falling apart. Not much is going on in this place, and there is like a Respati hotel actually. Yeah, here we go, guys. Even little doggo don't give a shit about your shitty comments like this one. You see, sleeping on the middle of this walkway for the bicycles, and he not gonna move it. Here we go. This is Bali life, by the way. I used to live in Europe and I used to work in. So some of my friends, they really know how I'm hardworking. And recently when I was in Australia, I also asked people for help if you can provide me some support to get the opportunity to live in Australia. And once I'm gonna do it, if I'm gonna do it, you will see how hard I'm working, and I'm gonna achieve something. And I'm just simply saying, it's no need to be so judged. You don't need to judge people without knowing somebody personally. And even if you really would like to say like that, just come to Bali, find me somewhere or call me, tell me to my face, and then we can discuss details. That's it. And seriously, like, if somebody don't wanna watch my boring videos what I'm making in Bali, it's totally fine. I don't charge you for them. And if you really, wanna see something very interesting, I highly recommend Christian LeBlanc, because he's the biggest dream seller, and everybody who know him better will confirm that. I'm not the Disney storyteller or Disney stories writer. If I could write such of beautiful stories, I will work for Disney, or I don't know, for any other Hollywood company, and I will at least make such a big bunch of money. But I'm not. That's why I'm making those videos. And if you would like to watch something what is like totally not true, like he's making, just go watch his video. At least he will show you something different every single month. That's for sure, and that's gonna be something fancy and flashy. That's also I can guarantee you. That was like a little bit personal message, but I'm so sorry guys for everyone who really likes to watching my videos and everything. This is totally nothing personal, but sometimes for some people who are just simply stupid, you cannot explain in different ways. Just you have to be very straightforward and tell them what you feel. So yeah, so that's it. But for everybody else who likes to watching my videos and you don't mind, as I'm showing you Sanur again, the same area of the Kejora and the construction of the villas and everything what is going on here, just enjoy. I will be in Bali for over the next few weeks, or at least until I'm gonna change my mind and I'm gonna go somewhere. It may change tomorrow, I may change here for over the next few months, you never know. Yeah. Hold on, something is coming soon here. That's the only something like shop next to Sindhu Beach Market. I thought it's something more exciting actually. This is very nice restaurant here. It's called Soul on the Beach. Changing the ownership and the management recently, so there are a little bit changes here. I think the ownership is the same actually, but the management. And yeah, this is it. Very, very popular place by the beach. You can sit and enjoy. And also next to it is Kayu Manis or something like that one. Also nice for the coffee, a little bit price higher mark, but pretty nice. All of those places are very nice and very recommended to come. However, keep it in mind, it's very hot. But today is windy, and when it's windy it's okay. But if there will be no wind at all, it's really, really tough to sit over here, even at night. This is the Sindhu restaurants. One of them, there is Amphibia, very popular place. Overall, regarding the videos, why the views are decreasing or something like that, it's just simply because there's different time of the year right now. Many people already are tired or busy, come back to the jobs or whatever you are doing, or simply you're just bored with Bali and any other Southeast Asian destination, or maybe you've been already here also and you just don't like it because Bali is obviously not the same like even 3 years ago in 2019. And also additionally, there's so many changes by the officials here, what many people simply just don't like it. Even recently officials find out this is a little bit too much what they are doing, and they ban locals from posting the videos of the tourists who are doing the silly stuff, which is obviously is bad. They just said, if you find out something like that, just report them to the police or to the authorities, but don't make a videos to go viral, because that's putting the negative image of the whole entire Bali Island or the country. And with that one, I actually gonna agree. This brings the bad reputation, and many people actually lose enthusiasm to coming to Bali. Plus, accommodation and prices in general in Bali are expensive. Of course, they are not as expensive as in America or Australia, but still more expensive than it was. Plus, additionally, the airplane fares, the flight tickets are also more expensive, which makes it more difficult to come over. And then its interest is simply declining. That was the look to cafes, by the way, and they are the aunties here who are trying to sell you something, and they're destroying the whole entire reputation of Sanur, what I'm trying to make it as good as possible for the last 3 years. saying is come to Sanur. Sanur is so nice. You just go from the nice cafe like I look to, or you go from the birdhouse where I'm already on the property right now, and then you have a few aunties who will talk to you and try to sell you something, and all of this over again, and they just simply are so innocent, right? They are old ladies in Bali doing this for the whole life because they sold the land. Some are here in their 70s and they didn't have a match, so they can only sell. But unfortunately, they didn't realize as they breaking the whole reputation of Sanur. For example, you enjoy beautiful coffee and cake or breakfast in the birdhouse where everything is so nice. You just walk 2 meters, literally 2 meters behind the border, and then you have those people. And this is true story. I had so many viewers who are invited to this place to meet me, and they said, oh, beautiful views, beautiful Bali and everything, Sanur, I never been here. And boom, they met them, they got harassed by the sellers, touching them, trying to force them to buy something. Boom, I never gonna come to Sanur again. Sorry, Damian, maybe beautiful place, but this one is just not acceptable. That's it. And doesn't matter how much I care. And that's the only one thing, small things, so innocent, and for some people who are familiar with Sanur, it's maybe nothing, you just learn how to ignore. But for everybody new, it's already like game over. And combine all of those things, especially what's changing in the past years, plus Damian, who is making videos over the same, and being lazy, this is it. Alright, a little bit sarcastic today, but sometimes you really have to. You can get crazy with all of this bullshit sometimes. Sun is more enjoyable at morning, there are not so many people, and it's like a different sun and everything. It's just simply a little bit more enjoyable than afternoon. And this is the Pantai Sagara. By the way, if you're gonna go straight, there is the construction of the hospital and the ex-Grand Inn hotel. One of the nice bars, restaurants here. There's loud music even in the morning, a little bit Kuta vibe actually. Or Legian vibe, something like that, but with the beach. That's the biggest actually difference. And this crab of Sagara, actually somebody told me this crab is over 50 years old here. Lobster, sorry, actually lobster, not crab. It's a little bit destroyed already, but they're, you know, old and erosion and everything. But this thing is 50 years old, 50 plus. This place, Sagara village and birdhouse, is really nice, highly recommended. One of my very favorite places in Sanur nowadays. It's very, very nice, just better don't go there because there will be the harassed sellers. Unfortunately, I'm just telling you not to offend the sellers itself, but to protect you, because I'm already like really not happy as because of them many of my viewers changed mind about the Sanur itself. So basically they are sellers next to the Tutsi. They see me filming, so I don't think so they're gonna say anything right now. Here we go, here we go.
Shopping, number 45.
Number 45, this lady, you know. And yeah, the story is over and over again. If you're gonna watch Christian or any other tourists or short-term visitors, dream sellers, and more popular people and more successful than me, who are doing much more better and interesting content than me, one thing what is the biggest difference between all of them and me is that it's only I gonna show you real life in Bali or wherever I am, what is it, how it is, without any coloring and hiding the stuff. If the guy asking you to buy the bintang, he will show, I'm telling you as he asking you to buy the bintang. Not like all of those people who only will show you, spend 2 months in Bali to make one video what it looks like a production for the Hollywood. That's it from me. Also, this is no offensive or anything, but many people asking, telling me, Damian, it's time for visiting the barber. I have a very nice barber just at the front of behind these things on the main street. But like I said already once or twice, I'm trying to keep my hair long, like a longer hairstyle, like to give you example, everybody laughed at me, to my friends, like a Bradley Cooper had it during the filming The Hangover Part 1, 2, 3. So not too long, not too short. I just wanted to have it longer hairstyle because, well, if I have too short, like a very, very short, what actually like it, and I think I looks good. Just too many people, especially here in Bali, calling me Russian, what I simply don't like it, and I'm getting just then offended. So when I have already longer hairstyle like this, so nobody call me like that. So yeah, that's one of the reasons. Also, I think I'm gonna look better in the long hairstyle. Anyway, why not try something different? But of course, the process of changing the hairstyle from the short into long is like a 9 months plus minus. And yeah, sometimes I wear a hat. I drive the motorbike right now, so after wearing the helmet in this heat and sweat, everything is changing. So next upcoming few months, my hairstyle will be little bit messy. I hope so. You understand. Also, sometimes people asking me which hotel is nice to stay in Sanur. So I always think as Holiday Inn and the Hyatt and Andaz, all of these are nice because they are obviously a little bit higher price range than the 5-star hotels. However, if you're looking for low budget hotels, for example, Besaki Hotel, which is this one where I'm working right now, it's also very nice, and this is like a range of plus minus $50 per night, something like that. Depends of the season. Also nice. Well, I guess. I never stayed there, but I have already few recommendations and everybody's saying it's alright. And to be honest with you guys, being surrounded with all of this vibe of Bali and calmness and all of this stuff, surrounded with the tourists who coming to Bali and enjoying and don't know anything about what is going on deep inside of normal living in Bali, it's actually more harder mentally than just coming for the holidays and enjoy. If you're coming for holidays and enjoy, you don't know anything and you don't care. Everything is nice, everything is so enjoyable and stuff. But then you are living here and you try to survive with all of these limitations and all of this sometimes literally, problems. It's a totally different game. And then you have those stupid Karens time to time who trying to put you down for being jealous for no reason and don't understand shit what's going on here. It's really like anyways, I also realized after I traveled, especially last year, quite a lot, going here and there, as all of those nasty comments and nasty people who try to put me down, they are only in Bali. I don't know why. No in Singapore, no in Malaysia, no in Thailand, no in Vietnam, no anywhere, no in Australia, especially no in Australia, everybody happy what I'm doing. But Damian just come back to Bali, there will be always somebody who have to fuck him off, huh? This is unbelievable. All right. Whew, that's it for today's. We're looking forward to see you tomorrow. See ya, take care. Tomorrow normal video. No talking like this, I guess.